Hi friend, Marian here. Good afternoon po. We are in Bulacan. So let's continue studying the book of John Gray. Men are from Venus and women are men are from Mars and women are from Venus. Sorry po. So yung lesson natin today is how women react to the cave. So last time we discussed about the cave that our men would like to after work go to their caves or study room, their den, or the sala or siguro garden at the house to spend some times to reflect yung the day, ano ba yung encounter niya or kung meron siyang urgent things to decide on. So, how women react to the cave. So, yung reaction natin minsan to sa cave, we do not appreciate it. We feel we are not being recognized or appreciated kasi we felt ignored dahil feeling natin, nandun na yung focus niya, kakadating lang sa house, bakit nandun na? So, we feel rejected or worse, parang, ano ba yun, unappreciated or abandoned. Ayan, siguro, that's one of the worst feelings that we have. So, sabi ni Sir John Gray, let's just understand that it's, ano ba yan, characteristic or, ano ba yung term niya, women generally do not understand how Martians cope with stress. They expect men to open up and talk about all their problems the way Venusians do. So tayo kasi we'd like to talk about our problems, about our concerns, our challenges. Yung men hindi. They want to reflect first, find a solution dun sa kanyang problem over sharing it. Parang hindi yun yung Martian trait. Parang we have to accept that they have these characteristics na they would like to keep it themselves and find solution to it rather than sharing it to us. So knowing this situation, we will not anymore feel neglected and we will wait for the time na nakapag-relax na siya at na nakapag-man cave na siya before we would be given the time to talk to us and celebrate yung home time. So sana this knowledge help you in understanding your partners, your children, and your office mates. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.